Hi. In today's video, we'll discuss why your Spectrum Wi-Fi isn't working and the best solutions. Let's get started. Your Wi-Fi isn't working because there might be outages. Check with Spectrum to ascertain if there might be an overall outage in your zone. Follow up via their support channels or by checking their website for related updates. Alternatively, you can download the My Spectrum app for timely updates through push notifications. Another reason is that your router or modem is poorly connected. Loose cord or cable connections can result in router malfunctions. To rule out this potential cause for your Wi-Fi not working, check that the router and the modem are properly plugged into a functional main outlet. Ensure the internet cable is connected firmly to the correct port on the modem. Also ensure the modem router connection is done properly. Lastly, your devices may require a reboot. Reboots help clear memory and fix minor bugs that might tamper with your network. To do this, power cycle the modem and the router. Plug in the modem first, then proceed to the router after the former has booted. So that's it. Fixing your Spectrum Wi-Fi when not working is that simple. Thanks for watching till next time.